Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahan na rin tayo ni bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito, another video reaction naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa national costume ni Maria Atisa Manalo sa Miss Cosmo 2024. Kaya i-play na natin to guys. Alright, bilang tayo ng 3, 2, 1, go! So, here we go!
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up to Miss Cosmo
Wow.
Philippines!
Serena.
The Miss Cosmo Philippines national costume inspired by
Jezebel, oh.
mermaid from the beloved comic series.
Ganda.
This stunning ensemble features vibrant hues of orange, reflecting
Grabe.
signature colors. The costume captures the essence of Filipino pop culture with intricate, shimmering scales and flowing, ocean-inspired fabrics that evoke the beauty and grace of mythical sea creatures. The design celebrates both the rich heritage and the contemporary allure of
Galing.
comic book legends.
Wala na, manalo na. Hello. May pa ganun pa siya.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up
Isa pa.
to Miss Cosmo Philippines!
Nakaka-proud naman.
The Miss Cosmo Philippines national costume
Inspired
inspired
by-
by Jezebel pays tribute to the iconic Filipino mermaid from the beloved comic series. This stunning ensemble features vibrant hues of orange, reflecting Jezebel's signature colors. The costume captures the essence of Filipino pop culture.
Wala na, panalo na.
Shimmering scales and flowing,
Ganda niya ano sa screen, no? Very telegenic.
mythical sea creatures.
Ganda ng kanya, national costume.
Heritage and the contemporary allure of Philippine comic book legends.
Gusto ko yung part na yun guys, oh. Grabe yung crowd, no? Rinig niyo ba?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Wow, ang galing naman ni Miss Maria Atisa Manalo. Nakaka-proud to.